the fat chick hallucinating from the salt. This is the truth.
The world refused. Civilians denied. Gene Major solid control. Meanwhile, and now,
Welcome to the
world pride those Americans that we love.
It's driving me crazy.
Now careful!
You can talk my...
It's a mystery. Fix up and solve this change of scenery.
Time's up.
Winning. Every rubber oh man, Grant.
What you doing?
In the name of bring back all that.
Yoshi, keep running!
Don't be nervous. Be
Awesome.
Just anything I can do to help. No. Just
Coming to my board.
darn me and dust head. Do your
Your health.
I know she's hurt. No, oh, sorry. All right.
Yep. Haven't you guys ever seen... Get out of there!
You've been canceled. I'm still on air.
Excuse me.
Censored.
Don't know what else. How do you sauce and why do you sauce? Proof out trying to get stones that do the thing.
Get this out of your pants.
I'm telling you. Yikes! Come trying to doggy. I guess I'm a son of a me.
Me, huh?
I am very hungry. No.
You brought
I wonder, can you save me?
Look at what I found. I don't even have.
What chance does he have of saving the rest of the planet? Find out on the next exciting episode.
You a little lesson. You a little lesson.
Was that you?